Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the Bank of America account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. After you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.bankofamerica.com and hit enter. Once the Bank of America homepage opens up on your screen, on the left side of your screen in a red box you will see the sign in tab. Now all you have to do is enter your online ID here, your passcode here, and then click on sign in. Make sure that you fill in your online ID and password correctly. Once you hit the sign in button, and if you have filled in your credentials correctly, you'll be automatically logged in to a Bank of America account. I hope this video helped you to log into a Bank of America account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.